all viewers to this channel, the STEAM Brain channel. Today we are going to learn how to conduct a simple experiment on a breadboard. For this experiment, we'll be using breadboard. If you are watching and you want to experience about how to turn on the LED bulb on the breadboard, you can get your components and then watch us as we do it. Now let's start. The LED bulb is on because electrical current flowing from the laptop, our power source, came through the USB cord, then to this side and this side. The electrical current came from 3.3 volts and then from the ground. So it came through the jumper wires, through the metal in the breadboard. Then the 3.3 volts was reduced to 2 volts by our 330 resistor, which helped the LED bulb to get on. This part was also brought through the electrical current flowing from this side came this way. It couldn't cross over here, so this jumper wire helped the electrical currents flow from here to here. This is what we came to show you for today. On our next episode, join us when we blink our LED bulb on the breadboard. See you next time. Bye bye.